to go down. Going down. LR7 trades. PW. I got something to say to you. Oh, I'm all ears, bro. I'm excited. But I like when somebody literally comments, I got something to say to you, and you're like, okay, well, here's your chance. Say it now. Say it now. Forever hold your peace. I had D Money pick me up from the truck shop, and I'm like sitting there waiting for the G-Wag. All of a humble, staying humble. These like, you know, hey, I got no. That's actually, I mean, it's a brand new hatch, like Honda hatch. It ain't like I don't want people to think you driving like a fucking shitbox.
Oh yeah.
No, it's a nice car, but like, it ain't a G-Wag.
It's not the G.
Someone asked, PW, were you friends with D? We might look a little different, but we from the same house. No, yeah, no, I had no idea he even existed. Honestly, I was on Tinder and I was just swiping and I saw him. No. Ginger, did you ever find the email that he sent? Oh, let me see. We gotta show it. Is there a photo? That'd be even funnier.
No. Is there a photo really, Ginger? I don't think so, right? Oh, the headshot?
Which
that's
one?
Funny.
No, I know that. I don't see it. Huh. Did it go to my spam?
D Money, how's the weather in Fort Lauderdale? Yeah, it was a little chilly this morning, chat. Low 50s. Low 50s this morning. So 58 right now. The high is only going to be 68, chat. So for us, that's freezing. I'm just being honest.
All right. All right, we got it. We got to pull this up here. Make sure no revealing information like your phone number. I think your first email had your phone number, not the second one.
Yeah.
All right. So this is the first or the second email that D Money sent to Ginger. So at this point, I had not talking. I didn't talk to D Money. Basically, Ginger was reading the emails and talking to him in correlation and everything. So I didn't talk to D Money or really know anything about him until he came to the BDH and we met in real life. So he said, I've been watching Patrick for over 2 years, all through the ups and downs, and now where he is today. He was the first person I watched online trading futures, and I make the transition from Forex to futures trading. I've been trading for almost 10 years, started out trading penny stocks, then options, then Forex, and now futures. Tons of blown accounts on the way to be profitable while trying to get a strategy down, probably 20K plus invested so far. Yes, I'm okay with being on the live stream for 2 hours with headshot and name as well. Would be grateful to spend time with Patrick. Biggest Forex payout, 85K. Biggest futures payout, $10,000. That's where it all started, right there, my friends.
That's crazy, man.
Right there.
That's crazy.
D Money.
Look at the date, chat.
Look at the date.
March 26th.
I mean, the first email was actually, March 25th. His first email said, "Good morning. I'm a local trader here in Fort Lauderdale.
Oh yeah.
I would love to come and trade at the BDH. My Twitter is Demarius Young." Wow.
Oh man.
What a full circle story.
Man,
right?
It's full circle.
Look at him now. He got a G-Wagon.
It's crazy.
At the BDH. He got his own email now. He's got his own BDH email.
Yeah, D Money, guys.
D Money. He got his own TV show now.
Crazy.
We got to get the BDH Netflix TV show.
Oh, that would be so lit.
I'm gonna try, D.
Yeah, it would be so lit.
When I'm up there with Logan Paul, I'm gonna be like, look, we need the BDH. I'm gonna pitch it to Logan and be like, Logan, you can produce it. Think about it. People want to see this on Netflix. A story of a
Man.
white man and a black man together making money.
Yeah.
This is harmony, baby. We live in the dream. This is the American dream.
Yep.
Nah, it'd be sick though.
I agree.
Just film everything: the fishing, the life, video of D Money driving his daughter to the fucking daycare in the morning, fucking stuck in traffic. Me calling him, going, "Where the fuck you at?" I told him this morning. I'm like, "Wait, you drive all the way to the daycare?" I'm like, "Why don't you get someone to do it for you?" He's like, "PW, I ain't like you. I'm not a millionaire." I'm like, "Oh shit, I forgot." I'm like, "Why do you not have a full-time nanny?" Bro, if I had a baby, I'd have a full-time nanny plus one. I'd have 2 nannies. I'd have a nanny for my nanny. That's I ain't ever changed. Trust me, I ain't changing diapers. If I have more kids, which I'm sure I will at some point, with me and Victoria, got to repopulate the planet with little beautiful ginger babies. So yeah, I'm fully gonna hire like 5 nannies. I want like the little sweet, like little old lady.
Yeah.
Like maybe I'll get like a Russian, and then get like a Spanish one, maybe get like an Asian one, and then I can have like a whole multicultural nannies.
Yeah.
And that way they can teach my son different languages.
Mm-hmm.
See, people think I'm dumb, but I'm fucking smart, right? It makes sense, right? I get different nannies. My son can learn Spanish, Russian, Asian, Mandarin. Imagine that little 2-year-old walking around going, "Ning hai ho, ning hai ho." Like, what the fuck?
Fluid.
My one of my buddies actually, he had twins, and they
Yeah.
had a nanny that spoke Spanish,
Mm-hmm.
and it was funny as fuck because the kids barely spoke any English, but they spoke a ton of Spanish.
Mm-hmm.
They were like 2 years old, and they're like, "¿Qué pasa, señorita?" I'm like, "Bro," and they're like little white kids. I'm like, "Why do
Yeah.
the kids speak Spanish?" He goes,
Speaking
"Oh,
of
dude,
whole-
the fucking nanny. She
Yeah.
only speaks
Mhm.
because the nanny only spoke Spanish."
So that they're gonna learn. They're gonna pick up on it.
That's crazy. It's like
My
so
daughter,
funny.
the daycare. There's only one. Like everybody's Spanish except for
Yeah.
one person. So and obviously she's half Dominican. My daughter,
Yeah.
right? So but yeah, she's Papi and Agua
Puppy? Agua.
and she's starting
God,
already.
Imagine a little redheaded fucking PW baby going, "Agua, milk,
Leche. Yeah.
leche,
Mm-hmm.
con leche."
It's crazy, man.
All right, we got 4 minutes here till market open, guys. It's gonna be a wild day. It's FOMC. I'm in no rush.
Yeah.
Because what I do know about today is that after FOMC, there's going to be a lot of opportunities,
Yeah.
right?
We're
Like
gonna have some-
volatility will be there. The market will be moving up, down, left, and it's going to be, there's going to be movement.
Mm-hmm.
Before FOMC, who knows? I'm not going to lie. I'll probably take a trade if I see a good one, but like I'm going to be patient today.
Yeah.
Today
agree.
is a day of patience, even during FOMC, right? Sometimes you get a big candle straight up during FOMC, you get a little bit of FOMO, you jump in, and then all of a sudden,
Pulls back. It pulls
right
back.
down. So.
Yep.
Let's avoid all that today. I'm trying to avoid all that. We got some giveaways. We got more stuff happening. We got always more stuff happening. We gave away 10 accounts yesterday on the stream. So if you like free stuff, if you like information, if you like, just hanging out with us, just hang out. We're going to be here all day, baby. This is tomorrow. We've got Brett Simba. Brett Simba from Tradeify is going to stop in for an hour, talk about what's new at Tradeify. I know they got some new stuff coming out. We've got Ocala. He's been on pretty much every single leaderboard in the prop firm space.
Mm-hmm.
I think he's like 13 years old. He'll be here tomorrow. No, he might be a little like 19 maybe. I don't know. We'll see. He's young. So we're going to hear from him what his strategy is. How has he kind of made a name in the prop firm space for getting big payouts and his strategy. I have no idea, honestly. I don't even know how he trades. So I'm interested. Be hilarious if he comes in. He's like, I only trade ICT. Oh, God. No, but honestly, like, I want to hear, right? Because I know, at least with him, like, he's got proof of payouts. He's done it, right?
Yeah.
Where a lot of these influencers, they talk about, blah, 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 I done this, but it's like, where's the proof?
Yep.
And you're like, well, I don't have to show you proof. It's like, I mean, you don't have to, but it would, it would make it a lot easier.
Yeah.
Instead of, sitting on Twitter all day talking about how you're so good at trading, why not just prove it, That's what I always, like, laugh about, these gurus. It's like, at the end of the day, what is the best marketing material? Like proof of making money.
The results.
Right?
Yeah.
Like if you actually are making money, why would you not be letting everybody see it?
Yep.
So I always love when people are like, I don't have to show you. It's like, I mean, you don't, but it would be a lot easier just to show proof.
Big key. D Money, what made you take the leap and write to him? You have never told us the story. Yeah, I've actually told the story a ton of times, chat. So maybe you missed it, but I sent that email because at the time PW had a lot of guest traders popping up on the show that were local for the most part, and I took a leap of faith, guys, and sent the email. Right, sent the email to Ginger, and was able to get onto the show. So that's how that happened. So yeah, the rest is history, chat. But yeah, I took a leap, guys, and that's what I always say. You got to take a chance, right?
I see some people in the chat talking about. I'm not ignoring. I just don't read the chat all the time. Tradeovate is down. It seems like someone's talking about. There's some issues with Tradeovate. If you're having issues, don't trade. Relax for a minute. Let's see what's going on here. I'm trading my live account, and it seems to be working fine. But this is a live Tradeovate account, not a prop account. So I don't know. Yeah, I think Tradeovate prop is down right now. Oh, man. Here we go. Market is open. There's that little first push down. Right there below the VWAP now. Yeah, I don't know, guys. What to do right here. I just was able to buy, and then kind of have like a glitch, weird sell. Took profit there. It is working. This is my live account, though. It's not a prop firm account. So it seems like the live accounts are working, but the prop firm account might be having some issues. So. Oh, Lord. You gotta love it. Trading. It's fun. Always something. Yeah, it seems, yeah, because like this is my Apex account and it's not moving, so. Yeah, I would avoid trading right now, chat. If you're watching and you're using Tradeovate prop, give it a moment. Don't trade right now. It seems there's definitely some issues going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, AJ from Lucid said that there is a Tradeovate issue from props. Yeah, you can see like this is my Apex account and it's not moving.
Yeah, same thing here.
Yeah, so I know nobody wants to hear that, obviously. It's not the news that we want to hear, so. Oh, Lord.
Somebody said story time.
Tell us a story, D.
Yeah.
I can try to make some money in the live account. I'm like afraid to even trade.
Yeah. Let me just give it a little bit.
But we did wick to the downside already, pushing back up. I took that long on this wick down and then the push back up.
So yeah, guys, as we kind of wait for
fucking A, look at this.
Yeah, I see it. Man. Well, the thing is though, we can't see it only on your live account. We can see the chart moving, so it's like.
Well, I mean, we can see it on
yeah. And actually, Tradeovate just went up now.
Trading View.
Yeah, it's starting to go up now. So let's see. It's a little lag.
Where's Jerome? Jerome busy, man. Don't worry about where Jerome at.
Jerome's still on the run, guys. I did speak to Jerome, chat, and I was informed that it sounds like him and PW. I don't know what kind of deal him and PW got, guys, but he's gonna be. He's getting really comfortable, guys, and it sounds like there's gonna be a lot of Jerome in 2026. Unfortunately for me, guys. So just a heads up on that.
After hours.
After hours, yeah, right.
With Jerome.
Man, this guy, Rome, guys. Roll me roll. So yeah, just be patient, chat. Let these guys figure out what's going on. I'm sure to get resolved. This is very rare, to be honest, with Tradeovate. So I'm sure they're on it.
Watch your belongings when people get comfy. What does that mean?
DeRove took the G-Wagon. Yeah. He's not touching the G-Wagon, guys.
All right. It's kind of weird. I'm like, I'm not sure what to do. Now we're back down here again. 15-minute candle. I mean, it's not even 5 minutes yet. So we got the 5-minute range coming up here. We swiped this little low there at 9:15 already, and then kind of pushing back up. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I need some music. Turn on the music. All right, so I'm talking to my team right now. We've reached out to Tradeovate through our channels just to kind of see if they have any updates or if they're gonna, what's kind of the game plan there. And as soon as we hear back from them, we will let you know here. So right now, Nasdaq is kind of, honestly, probably good to not be trading this. I know it's like, everyone's sitting there going, man, I want to be trading this, but maybe it might be good not to. You can see right now we've had a trap to the downside, we've had a trap to the upside, and now we're back here at the bottom of the range again. So 5-minute candle. It's kind of funky looking. ES is back. See, this is like the same thing as yesterday, right? Where the ES is now at the top of the 15-minute range so far, or the 5-minute range, and the Nasdaq down here at the bottom. If we look, what's NVIDIA doing? NVIDIA had a big gap up, gapped up there to the 192s. Right now, NVIDIA pulling back. So NVIDIA pulling back, Nasdaq pulling back here. There goes the ES. The ES just pulled back now. So, all right. What are we thinking? I think maybe we try to swipe that 26,200 area. Only 15 points away from there now. If you refresh your Tradeovate prop window, it updates. You just gotta put a trade on and then refresh it and hope that it updates.
Rest in peace to the evals. Yeah, guys. I mean,
it's not rest in peace.
Yeah,
like, just
why
don't
would it be
trade right
rest in
now.
peace?
Relax,
There's
people.
no reason to trade, guys.
God, the market's been open for 5 minutes, guys.
Gotta be patient.
The market has been open for 5 minutes. Relax. They're all like, well, it's over, guys. Might as well go back to McDonald's.
It's only, yeah.
Might as well go get a job at McDonald's now. The market haven't
only,
been on a trade for the first 5 minutes here.
It's only 9:37, chat.
I get it. Trust me. I know it is frustrating. Trust me. I 100% know that you guys are frustrated and it's not fun to have to deal with. But at the same time, like, getting more and more frustrated over it is not going to make things better here. I would imagine that if you have any issues with your account this morning, that the prop firm that you're working with will fix the account. So don't worry. In the past, whenever there's been issues, whenever there's been issues, they've always fixed it. So I know Lucid is good for it. I know Take Profit Trader. Everyone, they're gonna fix the shit. So I mean, even Apex has fixed lots of accounts for it. So I got a response here from Tradeovate. It's not the response you guys want to hear, but it's the response we're gonna get. They said, we are aware of the ongoing platform issues. The team is hard at work to get it reset and fixed ASAP. So kind of the response that we thought we would get. I get it, guys. People in the chat, they're mad. I get it. It's not like you don't want to have to deal with platform issues when you are trading. I 100% agree. And like I don't know what to do here. I have my live accounts working, just the prop accounts aren't working. This is like doing exactly the same shit that I did yesterday.
Yeah, exactly the same.
If we get above that 250 area, maybe there's a long there. Is it gonna go right here? We're right there at the VWAPs. The only thing. PW is trading alone. That's lonely. I'm the only person in the world able to trade. I'm the only person able to trade in the whole entire world. The only person with a live account. Everybody else has got prop firm accounts. Nobody watching the stream has a live account. Is a 5-second delay between you and me? I don't, normally not. Should be pretty close to 0 delay. There's that 50 break. I'm gonna try a long here. Look for 10 points quickly. Hey. Hey. They don't call me the 10-point king for nothing. They don't call me the 10-point king. Someone said they only paper trade, so they good. Hey, that's the best part about paper trading. Mm-hmm. You know, if you have an issue, you just press the restart. That's why I'm a big fan of paper trading as well. This is my paper trading account. We got $40,000 of real paper money in it. Oh, man. There she goes. I was a little hesitant to be holding because of the platforms having issues, but is this thing just gonna rip?
Yeah, that's what it's looking like so far. 1 hour candle, that bottom wick on the 1 hour candle looks crazy.
PW sounds like the bad guy kid Anakin was working for on Home Planet. What? All right, well, I would say good time to be patient. You might be forced to be patient here.
Yeah.
Hey,
it's a good lesson, guys.
Hey, we're doing a good lesson today. Mentorship, guys. What to do when your platform is not working.
So you know what's crazy, chat, though, on a serious note? Like, there's a lot of FOMO right now, right? Because you're like looking at you're like, oh man, the push. Yeah. So, but this is a good, and I hate to say it, chat. No, I'm not in a position either, guys. Right? I'm not in a position. But yeah, I mean, you gotta be. We're forced to be patient right now, chat.
It hurts, dude. The FOMO is real. Look how beautiful that entry was. Long at the 50s, right? If you see why I thought that this was a good setup, the idea here is this big move down. We start to push. You got wick, wick, wick. If we get above those 2 wicks, well, you're thinking that there's a good chance we kind of rip back up there. And if you also look at the 5-minute chart, it kind of correlated with the 5-minute chart. You like that? I got big words, baby. Correlation. It's correlating. Look at the correlation. The high of that 5-minute candle right there. All right, we get above that high. It's like rip. Kind of like you get these like, almost like it's. I don't know how to exactly explain it, but it's like this. You get this to a point where once we break through that level, that market is just seek and destroy that next level, right? Or that next candle high. Yeah. And that's exactly what we got there on the 5-minute chart. The Nvidia move as well. Look at Nvidia here. Guys, I highly suggest having multiple charts pulled up. All right, check out Nvidia. You had a big sell-off. Obviously, looked very much like that move on the Nasdaq down, but look at how strong it recovered and came back up. So for me, I was like, hey, I like these longs because Nvidia's pumping, right? Pumping. You got no wick on the 5-minute chart or the 5-minute candle. I see it. Nvidia's still pumping though. Leo said he got short. He's going to take profit at 25,160. Sounds good.
25,160?
160. Hell yeah. I mean, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. Today is the best patience lesson. Yeah, I mean, you know, hey, we just being a little patient. We love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you. I love you. It's kind of flagging, honestly. It wants to go higher here. I don't know about shorting here, but hey.
I don't know about shorting here.
I like seeing people in the chat shorting because it makes me more excited to be long. The people in the chat. Tradeabate's, yeah, we get it, guys.
Yeah,
Tradeabate
we know, guys.
Having issues right now. I just like wanted to see if it would work. Yeah. And I just pressed like buy, and it says I got filled at 246. The market's at 280 right now. Mm-hmm. Does that mean I'm up?
One time too,
Does that mean I'm up right now? If I put a sell order up here, what happens?
Yeah, it just shows $15 like down, and then that's it. It doesn't move.
Oh, that's what it does all the time.
Yep.
I told them to reboot the system. I said, hey, Tradeabate, can you do an Alt F4 real quick for us? The best entry ever. Told you, chat. Told you it was a good spot to get long. Look at that. I got long fucking 40 points below the candle.
I'm good.
Hey.
I'm good.
That's the ultimate told you so.
Yeah.
Look, I told you so. I told you so. I told you so.
They said W's in the chat. Yeah.
W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Bro, I think it might hit. Look, I'm in the green. Did it hit? It hit 300? Look at that. I'm up 60 points, chat. 60 points. No drawdown. No drawdown. This is fucked up. I'm sorry. I know I shouldn't be laughing right now, but I mean, I don't know what else to do, honestly. Yeah, pretty much every single prop firm is having issues right now. But look at this trade. Tell me you've seen a better entry than this. You haven't. Ain't nobody got better entries than this. The #1 entry on the internet right here, baby. Watch, it's gonna crash back down.
Yeah.
No! No! No, please, no. Come back, go back up, go back up. Oh no, it's really pulling back here. All right, so the Nasdaq pushed up there to the top of the opening range, pulled right back to the middle again. Let's see what happens. Dude, this fucking market's rigged, dude. The market makers are coming for my entry down there. The market makers, they're mad. They're like, this fucker, he got filled.
Yeah, the entry is
70
too good.
points below. They're coming for it. I'm telling you, the market makers are watching the stream right now, and they are about to get it.
Yeah, the entry is too good.
What's the issue right now? The issue is that Tradeavate, oh my, look, they literally came back to my entry. Wow. Wow, Nasdaq. Wow, this shit's rigged. This shit is rigged. Oh, Lord. Honestly, I'm telling you right now, if you can't trade, it might be a blessing in disguise, because this price action right now is...
Yeah, it's right back down.
It's bad. Was it drop a W?
He took that trade.
Look, I'm still in the green.
Oh, man.
I'm still up. I'm still up 60 points on that trade. I'll refresh it again, see what happens. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, chat. That's not good. That's not good. All right, well, we can always go on Kalshi and buy more shares of Jerome Powell's speech. It's an opportunity. I'm just saying.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just saying we could. I don't really have any more money. Damn it! I actually can't because I'm broke. Don't worry, I can deposit more. We're good. Let me put it up. How much more? I'll put another 5K in there real quick, and you guys tell me what words to buy. Figure out what word is guaranteed to hit today. All right, that's what I want to know. Which one is guaranteed to hit? And because I want to buy. L's not moving or anything. Refreshed it. All right. It's working again. Okay. But give it a second. So, yeah, I need to figure out where do I put more money in. Should I go harder? You think he's going to say Trump? You think Powell's going to talk about Trump during the thing?
I think that's a hard one.
Yeah.
Just because of you know, they got a little beef going, right? So it's like, will he say him by name?
Uncertainty? Look at uncertainty. It's already up to 90%. What about pandemic? He might say pandemic levels.
Yeah. Now that,
right?
like,
Pandemic levels.
Yeah.
Anybody think about pandemic?
I think, yeah, that might be a good one.
Projection? All right. Put another 500 on pandemic. He will say the president and not Trump. I mean, I think I have money on president. Or, yeah, I have money on president. Think I should go harder on president? Probability. I think I have probability pretty heavy right now. I'm already pretty heavy on probability. He says president, not Trump. Fuck. Should I go? I'm going harder on president, I guess. All right, Nasdaq still just inside that 15-minute range right now. What about volatility? I feel like he could say volatility. Yeah, see, I think volatility is gonna be a good one. I'm going big on volatility. Putting 1,000 to win 3,000 on volatility. Nasdaq still just chopping around here. What about tax? Is he going to talk about tax? What's 100% answer? Mandate? I feel like median's pretty good.
Yeah, I think median.
I went pretty hard on median.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm gonna go a little harder on median. Yeah, we already. Good afternoon is guaranteed. You like, if I put money on good afternoon, I won't make any money. I could put, look, $5,000 to make 46 bucks. It ain't worth it. Is your TradeAvate working? I don't think so.
Nah, the
Mine's
candle.
still lagging.
Yeah, it's lagging.
Projection? I've already got so much on projection. I'm like the biggest whale in this fucking market right now. I've got like 40,000 shares. What about lawsuit? You think he's saying lawsuit? What are the chances he says lawsuit? Administration? Zero chance he says lawsuit? Okay.
Yeah, I don't think he says lawsuit.
What about ADP? Transitionary. The tax thing is like, it could be, he could just say tax somehow. You know, like, it could be anything. It could be like tax, I don't know. What about layoff? Layoff
layoff, I think it has
layoff is pretty good, right?
Yeah, because that's more like Fed, like
like
language, right? So I think layoff.
I think layoff's got to go.
Yeah.
Let's try it. We're going on layoff. Ugh, it's not very good odds. I don't really.
Somebody has wages.
Just got to go smaller on it. So that's 78%. I don't think it's. I don't want to go layoff. What about dissent? Dissent.
I think that's a good one.
You think it's a good one?
But I mean, what is it? 42%.
42%. Beige book he won't say renovation.
That was quantitative easing.
Yeah,
he's gonna
tightening and then easing.
Yeah, he's gonna say both of those.
Both of them?
Oh yeah, he's gonna say at least easing for sure. I mean, I would have to think.
Well, you hear that, guys? He just said for sure, so I put 1,000 on it.
So that's 1,000. You make 5. You make
on quantitative easing. Yeah. If he says Q&E quantitative easing, that'd be 5,000 for $1,000. National Jet. I already got projections so hard. All right, I'm going all in on projection. All right.
I gotta open an account here.
Dude, my position right now is massive. I've got literally. No, there's some other stuff, but I'd say I probably have like 20,000 on this FOMC. I got 20,000 on FOMC right now for these words. Obviously, this is not financial advice, chat. I am not a gambler, okay? Because look, it's not gambling if you bet on every single word.
Yeah. It's like,
how do I lose here?
Yeah,
how do I lose here?
I'm opening up an account right now while we're waiting.
$500, he talks about negative RR. Forex Ike, you might have a point. The crazy thing is I can't even tell how much I actually would get paid out. I wish it told you that. You can see some of my positions here have already kind of gone up a little bit. Some of them are down. Some of them are up. I've been buying these contracts for like a month now. Let's see what happens. I still think my best trade ever was this one right here, dude. Will anyone be charged for the Minnesota daycare fraud?
Yeah,
I bought in at 79 cents. It's currently trading at 98 cents. If I were to put all of my fucking money, I could have put my whole net worth on that. It was a lock. Guaranteed. Look at the return on this. 21% return on a 99.
That's crazy, man.
PW, you're better off going to the casino. I don't think so at all. I've had some good trades. Yesterday I got fucked on Greenland. Greenland got me good. He did not say Greenland during his speech, so I would have, if he would have said Greenland, I would have been sitting pretty yesterday. The UFC deal really got me good. Explain this to me, Chad. How did Patty Pimblett and Justin, I had them to win round 5, and neither of them hit? Classic. Decision. What a joke. How did you go to decision? This was a Trump speech the other day where I made $4,000 off of him saying crypto. Did that one live, so. What was my RR on Trump? Well, if Greenland would have paid, I think I would have made money, obviously, but he didn't say Greenland. US GDP growth in quarter 2025. I have money on, what do I have money on? Where's my position? Oh, above 3%. This is actually pretty legit. I got in on this one. US GDP growth in quarter Q 2025 above 3%. I bought in at 67 cents. Currently up 20%. Are you in the green with all your trading on Kalshi? No, definitely not. I'm probably down like 20K. But I've also just been a full degenerate and went retarded. I mean, the UFC thing, I just don't even know how that happened. I thought for sure, because I put $1,000 on each of these, and $1,000 paid out like 30K. And I was like, well, Justin's gonna win second round, the third round, possibly the fifth